In this lecture, we will study the remaining terrestrial biomes. First, the taiga biome, also known as boreal forest. Taiga is a forest of coniferous trees spreading in the northern hemisphere, just south of the tundra. Its climate is milder than tundra, and life forms are more diverse. It is also characterized by cold, snowy winters and a short growing season, and therefore, plants and animals that thrive in this biome have numerous adaptations to survive in such harsh conditions. Conifers, for example, have narrow pointed leaves called needles, which contain photosynthetic cells, allowing photosynthesis to continue throughout the winters. Waxy coating is also present on these needles, which help in conserving water by reducing evaporation. Peat formation is a characteristic feature of this biome. Cold temperatures, very wet soil during the growing season, and acids produced by fallen conifer needles and sphagnum moss inhibit full decay of organic matter. As a result, thick layers of semi decayed organic material is formed. This is known as peat. Animals found in the taiga biome are like bears, moose, deer, foxes, etc. This biome contains some of the world's largest trees, and so they are exploited for timber. This biome is under heavy pressure to meet rising demands for wood and wood products. Next is the broadleaf forest biome, deciduous as well as evergreen. These forests are found throughout the world where the rainfall is plenty and have long growing season. In the deciduous forests, trees produce summer leaves and then shed these leaves at the end of the growing season. For example, oak, maple. But in the regions where the climate is warm throughout the year, forests are dominated by evergreen trees. For example, cypress. This biome is also under the threat of deforestation. Due to deforestation, unique and endangered species also perish. Now, the most important biome, the tropical rainforest biome. It is one of the most endangered biomes on the earth, existing near the equator. It is by far the most complex and diverse of all the earth's biome and supports a wealth of plants, animals, and microorganisms. It experiences heavy rainfall up to 200 to 400 centimeters every year, and therefore trees found in the tropical rainforest grow to a height of 60 meters or more. They form dense canopy that blocks much of the incoming sunlight, and so since very little light strikes the forest floor, ground level vegetation in this forest is sparse. Species adapted to the low light conditions, like ferns, can only survive in such conditions. Animals found in the tropical rainforests are like monkeys, variety of birds, countless species of insects, etc. Although tropical rainforests is the most diverse and richest biome on Earth, but its soil is very thin and nutrient poor. This is a strange feature of this biome. This is due to the fact that the life found in this forest is very rich. Virtually all the nutrients are locked up in plants and animals. The dead tree leaves and other forms of biomass that fall to the ground gets consumed by the countless insects. Then matter that the insect do not eat is rapidly decomposed by the bacteria, fungi and other microorganisms. Nutrients released into the soil by bacterial decay gets quickly absorbed by the roots of the trees. So the soils are very poor because the life is so rich. Lush vegetation in the tropical rainforest protects the soil from erosion. Tropical rainforests are the lungs of the planet. They breathe in vast amounts of carbon dioxide and release oxygen vital to the animals. By absorbing carbon dioxide, these forests help in reducing the global warming. Therefore, widespread destruction of these forests can disturb the global rainfall patterns and can affect the global climate.